Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of precipitation 40%. Friday night and Saturday, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s. Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is Weather Radio